Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You can see. Yes. Yes or no? Still many of them should join. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. All of them join. Still they are coming. Some are coming now. So all of them muted their audios. Yes. So those who are asking, they should only answer to me. Okay. Okay, children. So we can start now. We can start. Yesterday we were discussing what we were discussing. Bhuvana Lakshmi. Bhuvana Lakshmi. What we were discussing yesterday. Bhuvana Lakshmi. Unmute and tell me. Yes. What we were discussing yesterday. Yes, Bhuvana Lakshmi. What we were discussing. We were doing workbook problems. We were doing the workbook problems. How many problems did you complete? How many problems did you complete, Anupama?
Ma'am, 2 questions.
How many questions you completed? Till 15th one we completed. Okay, we can start the remaining problems. So all of them understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now today we can start from 16th problem onwards. Okay. Some more few are, I am waiting for some more to join so that we can have. Okay, 16th problem we can start. So how to start? First one is acute angle. You should draw the figure and you have to write what is the meaning for acute angle less than 90 degree. 16th main you can see the question. Okay. Sixteenth main. If you want, unmute anyone. 16th one.
Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, zero angle, reflect.
Okay, 16th one. No, unmute.
Fill the following my map. You
So,
have
okay,
been
very
done.
good. So,
And can I draw it?
Yes, you can draw it and we can
Ma'am, what is the degree?
less than 90 degree. What is the degree you have to write? Less than 90 degree. First question, acute angle. So you can draw it. Shall we draw it on the board?
Yes.
Okay, I will take the screen and we can write it on the board. Okay, first one, acute angle. Down, fill in the blanks is there. You can see that. You can see there what you have to draw it. Less than 90 degree, one angle you should draw it. And down you have to, 3 columns are there, okay? I will tell you how to write it. 3 columns are there. What is the first column here written? Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Written there. So no one should shout there because it is disturbing the class. Okay, to whom I am asking, only they should answer. Good children you are, okay? Otherwise, next, here one blank space is there. One blank space they mentioned. Down also one more blank space is there, okay? Have you seen that? 16th one? Yes, acute angle. Acute angle is there. So what you will write here, Abel Austin? What you will write here? Here you can draw one less than 90 degree, one angle, AOB, whatever it is there.
Ma'am, I drawn.
Okay. Here what answer you will write? Less than 90 degree. Okay, in workbook only you can write it. In workbook only you can write it. So here you can write, first one is acute angle. Second one is you can draw the figure. Third one you can write it as less than 90 degree. Okay. You are writing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, any doubt?
One doubt is there.
What is your doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, when we do this, we should
Rough
draw
book.
with protractor.
Which one?
Draw the figure, right?
You have to draw the figure. First
Yeah.
one it is written there.
With protractor.
Acute angle it is there. Already given in the text workbook. Second column, one blank space is there. What you will write there? Draw the figure.
Yes, ma'am. With protractor, we should draw with protractor.
Protractor or rough figure enough. With protractor, if you want to draw it, you can draw with the protractor. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are drawing. What is the third part you will write, Jelin? What is the third part you wrote? Less than 90 degree. What you wrote? Less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Anybody is having doubt? First one, draw the figure. Second step, you have to write less than 90 degree.
90.
Okay. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes.
Which problem you are doing now? 16th problem. Okay. 16th problem you are doing now.
This angle.
Next one you can write it. What is the next one? They have mentioned here. Which type of angle it is?
This angle.
Figure only they gave.
Obtuse angle.
Here written right angle at the top. Right angle. Here you can draw the figure like this. It is also given.
It's already drawn.
Then it is 90 degree. Already they gave one example for that. Okay, it is already written there. Second one. Second one is already there. Right angle. You draw the figure and 90 degree. Okay. All are drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Third one is at the top. What is written? Isra Biju?
Acute angle.
Obtuse angle. Very good. So how you have to draw the figure of an obtuse angle. Rough figure. No need of any measurement. Rough figure you can draw it. Can you draw it? Can you draw it?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can draw the figure
90 degree.
more than 90 degree. This is 90 degree over. So next one is more than 90 degree. So obtuse angle they
90
mentioned
degree.
there. Obtuse angle. Next one is, how will you draw the figure? Here you can draw one line. Here also you can draw the figure. A, O.
Ma'am, we should name, right?
You can obtuse angle.
Ma'am, we should name.
Which one? Name. You have to give the names. So what is the explanation for that? Ambrose, how will you write next third part blank space? This is second blank space. What is the third blank space you will write? Ambrose. More than?
More than,
Yes, excellent.
more than 90
More
degree.
than 90 degree. Obtuse angle means what? More than 90 degree.
More
Excellent.
than 90 degree.
More than 90 degree. Okay. You are writing now?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
All
You are
right,
writing.
then finish.
More than 90 degree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Down also some examples they gave.
Yes,
60 angles. Straight angle,
Finish, ma'am.
figure they mentioned. And what is the measurement of straight angle, Tejas Krishna?
180 degree.
Ah, very good. 180
180
degree.
degree.
Yes, excellent answer. 180 degree. Okay, excellent. So, it is already they mentioned. Jelin? Jelin?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is meant by straight angle? It is equal to 180 degree. Okay, excellent answer.
180 degree.
Next one. Like that, you have to mention zero angle. Zero angle means what? Here, Parvati. What is meant by zero angle? Tell me. Can you tell me what is meant by zero angle? Yes. Tell me. Parvati.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is telling?
if the initial ray does not move to
Yes. Measurement of an angle is 0 degree. If the measurement of an angle is 0 degree, then it is called what? It is called a, what type of angle it is? It is a 0 angle. First one already they wrote the answer. Now you can write it there. Afterwards, you can draw 0 angle. Okay. 0 angle. What figure you will draw it? Here you can draw the figure like this. A. O. Next third column, how will you fill up? Measurement is 0 degree. Like this you can write.
next
One,
angle.
draw the figure. Second, 0 degree. Bilsa, any doubt? You are
Ma'am,
drawing now?
next angle. Next
Yes. All of them finished drawing. Show me the answer, Sayan. Show me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay, shall we go to the, okay, Ritul Biju, they are showing the answers. Okay, excellent. All are having workbook, no? Yesterday, I sent the message. Those who are not having workbook, they can copy the questions and bring. Okay, okay, all are having. So, no need of sending the questions again. Okay. Now, we can go to the last part. Last part of that problem. Reflex angle. Last one is, what is the last one? Reflex. What is meant by reflex angle?
More than
Angle.
80 degree.
One.
More than 80 degree.
Yes.
80 degree.
More than 80 degree.
More than 80 degree.
More than
Less
80
180.
degree, ma'am.
Excellent answer. More than 180
80 degree.
and less than
80 degree.
60 degree.
36.
Okay? This type of
360.
angle called, any example you can write it. AOB. More than 180 and less than 360. Okay, excellent answer.
Less than
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. More than 180 and less than 360. Like this only you can write. Less than means no need of symbol. More than 180 or greater than 180 and less than 360. Less than you can write using this symbol. Okay. More than 180 and less than 360.
360.
Ashwin, you are writing, drawing? Yes. Okay. Amal Krishna, video off. Please on it. Finish writing, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, excellent.
Ma'am, I finished 17th and
Okay.
18th.
Can we go to the next problem?
Yes.
Can we go to the next one? Very
Yes,
short
ma'am.
questions are there. 17th problem.
Ma'am, can I tell acute angle 3, obtuse angle 1,
Yes.
reflex angle 1?
Yes, very good. How many acute angles are there?
3.
How many obtuse angles are there?
1.
And how many reflex angle are there?
1.
Excellent. That means you can write the answer.
Ma'am, you not want to write and give, we know.
Yes, which one? I should write and give
17.
you.
Only 18th
Acute
one.
angle you can write 3.
3.
3.
Acute angle 3 are there. What is the question? Count the number of acute, obtuse,
Obtuse and reflex angle formed inside given figure.
Given figure, 17th figure. Acute angle 3 are there.
Obtuse angle 1.
Obtuse angle, how many are there? Only 1.
1.
That means you understood what I told.
Yes.
How many reflex angle are there?
1.
Only 1. Okay, excellent. This is the
Ma'am,
answer. You have to
18th
write
one,
for the 17th.
identify and explain different type of angle marked in a letter Z of English alphabet.
Okay, next.
There are
18th
2
question.
acute
Who
angle.
is reading now?
Amna.
Who? Amna. Okay.
Yes.
Others,
There are
no disturbance, no? Only Amna
No.
is reading. Okay.
Ma'am, I should
Identify
write.
and explain the
Answer
different
can I
types of
tell,
angle
ma'am?
marked in the letter
Excuse me,
Z.
ma'am. 2 acute angles.
So you can write.
there are 2 acute angle because they are less than 90 degree.
Okay, excellent angle. There are 2
Thank you, ma'am.
acute angle because they are
Excuse, ma'am.
less
Excuse
than
me, ma'am.
90 degree. You can write the answer there.
Ma'am.
Shall I write it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes. What is your doubts? Tell me.
Ma'am, I should write with pen or pencil.
With the pen. You have to write with the pen. Because you are in 5th standard now, I told you.
There are 2 acute
I
angle
will write the
because
answer on the board. You
they
can
are less than 90 degree.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, you can write. There are
2 acute angle because they are less than
There
90
are-
degree. Less than 90 degree.
okay. There are
2 acute angle. There are
There
2
are-
acute angle
acute angles
because
they are less than 90.
because they are less than they are less than 90 degree.
Than 90 degree. Okay. There are 2 acute angles in the letter Z there because they are all less than 90 degree. Okay. All of them finish writing. Sachin,
Yes,
finish writing.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. What is the answer you wrote? Unmute and tell me.
There are 2 acute angles.
So much sound is coming. Someone. Yes. Amna, mute yourself now. Yes, Sachin, tell me. What is the answer you wrote?
Ma'am, 5 did not finish writing.
Okay. Who finished
There are
writing?
2 acute
Bhuvana Lakshmi
angles.
finished writing?
Ma'am, me.
Bhuvana Lakshmi finished writing? Okay. So much sound is coming in. Please avoid that. So, how many acute angles are there? There are 2 acute angles. Okay, Anubama is telling there. Okay.
There are 2
Angles because they are all. Ritul Bidu raised his hand. Tell me. Yes. Finish writing? Yes. There are 2
Yes, ma'am.
acute angles because they are less than 90 degree. They are all less 90
because
degree.
they
Therefore,
are
there are two
they are
acute
less than
angles.
90 degree.
All the
Excuse me,
measurement
ma'am.
less than
Angle
90
because
degree.
they
Can you
are
see now?
less than 90 degree.
Now we can go to the next one.
90 degree.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you tell that answer once more? Yes,
19th
ma'am.
question. Which question now? Next.
Ma'am, don't drop, ma'am.
19th.
19th question. 19th one.
A.
Lot of sound is coming.
Type
Someone is
of
talking.
A.
Those who are muted,
Acute.
only one of them should answer because others will get disturbed. Yes, Anupama is telling others keep quiet. Faiz Muhammad, can you tell me 19th one which problem, which type of angle it is?
Ma'am,
19th
which
one
A,
A.
B, C, which one?
First one, clock figure they mentioned. And the time is 5:50. Devananda, which type of angle first one? Tell me.
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Angle, excellent.
Obtuse.
Which angle? Obtuse angle.
Obtuse.
Why it is obtuse angle? Rudra?
Because it is 610.
Yes, and all
More
of them
than
don't
90
answer,
degrees.
please. So, otherwise, I should mute you. All of them mute. To whom I am asking, they should only answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shall I mute you?
No.
No. So, all of them mute. To whom I am asking, they should only answer. Devananda, others, those who are answering, I will remove from this. Shall I remove you? No. In between, no answer, please. So, which type of angle it is? Which type of angle it is? Obtuse angle, first one.
Obtuse angle.
B.
Second one, right
B.
angle.
Who is that?
Right
Jalil?
angle.
Unmute and tell me. Unmute and tell me.
Ma'am,
Jalil?
ma'am, can I?
No.
Ma'am.
Unmute and tell me. Jalil?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Which question? 19?
Second one, B. 19th one, B main. 3 o'clock. What is the angle?
Well,
Right angle. Why it is right angle, Josine? Josine, unmute and tell me. Now you mute. Josine, tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't hear the
Second one. Third one, which type of angle?
third one.
Third question, 7 o'clock. Time is 7 o'clock.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, very good. Why it is obtuse angle, Andilia?
and because its figure is like that.
Yes, figure is like that. That means it is more than
Ma'am,
180.
because its figure is like
Excellent. Aromal. Last one.
Ma'am,
10 o'clock.
anything. Excuse me, ma'am.
10 o'clock. What is the angle formed?
Excuse me, ma'am. Acute.
Which type of angle it is?
Acute angle.
Yes, acute angle. Okay. Okay now. So, first one, what is the first angle? What is the first angle formed?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Second angle formed is
Right angle.
Third angle formed is
Obtuse angle.
and the fourth one formed is
Acute angle.
acute angle. All of them
Acute
finished
angle.
writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All of them
ma'am.
finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished writing? We can go to the next problem. Anha Fatima finished writing? First one is obtuse angle. Second one is right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. And the fourth one is acute angle. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem? 20th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. By what angle does the hour hand move? Ma'am, angle.
20th problem. Those who are repeating now, I will remove from this class. Okay. So no one should repeat it. To whom I am asking, they should only answer, please. Otherwise, whole disturbance. Who is sitting here?
Ma'am, reflex
Inovin?
angle. Reflex
Inovin,
angle.
unmute and tell me. Novin, 20th question you can read. 20th question. Inovin, can you read? Ashwin, can you read? Okay. 20th question says that by what angle does the hour of hand moves when it goes from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m.? So that is the 20th question. What angle does the hand moves when it goes from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m.? 3 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Reflex
PM.
angle. Reflex
3
angle.
p.m. means what? What is meant by 3 p.m.?
3.
What is meant by 3 p.m.?
Right angle.
3 p.m. means what? 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Afternoon, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So after that, 8 o'clock, up to 8 o'clock, how many hours will be there? Sachin? How many hours will be there? From 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock, how many hours will be there?
4 hours.
Unmute and tell me, how many hours will be there?
4 hours.
4 hours? From 3 o'clock?
5 hours. 5 hours. 5 hours.
Okay.
5 hours.
5 hours will be there. So, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. How many hours will be there? That is the question. Okay.
Yes.
So, by what angle does the hour hand moves? So, first one in 12 hours. Then, in 12 hours, Devananda, any doubt? In 12 hours, what is the degree it is moving? 360 degree.
60 degree.
In 12 hours, so 20th answer you can write. In
Reflex angle.
12 hours, angle moved is equal to
Ma'am, what is question?
360
Ma'am,
degree.
what is question?
In 12 hours, the hour angle moved is equal to 360 degree. So in 1 hour, how much it will move? 1 hour angle moved is equal to 360 divided by 12. You will get it as 30 degree. Okay. In 12 hours, the angle moved will be 360 degree. So in 1 hour, the angle moved will be 360 divided by 12. What is the angle it moved? 30 degree. 30 degree. In 12 hours, angle moved is equal to 360 degree. In 1 hour, the angle moved will be 360 divided by 12. You will get it as 30 degree. In 5 hours, how much it will make? 30 into 5. You will get it as 150 degree. One hour. So for once again, I will write it on the board. In 12 hours. In 12 hours, angle moved. How much is the angle moved? 12 hours. 360 degree. In 1 hour,
Angle mode 360
Angle mode.
divided by 120 is equal to
angle moved is equal to 360 divided by 12. How much degree you will get? 30 degree. Don't mix it and write. This is 30 degree here. 30 degree. So,
in 5 hours.
angle moved in 5 hours is equal to 5 into 30. You will get it as 150 degree. Understood the steps? Yes. So,
5 modes in 5
Sayan, what is the first step you will write?
in 12
Can you
hours.
tell
12
about
hours
5
angle
hour
mode. How
now?
much?
5 hour.
In 12 hours, how many? What is the angle mode? 360 degree.
360
Ma'am, 5 hours. Can you tell?
In 1 hour, how much it will move? 360 divided by 12, you will get 30
divided
degree.
by 120 is
30.
equal to 30
In 5 hours, how much you will get, Amal Krishna? 150 degree. These are the steps you should write. First one, in 12 hours, angle mode is equal to 360. In 1 hour, the angle mode will be what? 360 divided by 12, you will get 30 degree. In 5 hours, the angle mode will be 5 into 30, you will get it as 150. Okay? Understood
Ma'am,
or not?
5 hour. How much? 5
Huh?
hour. 5 hour. How much?
5 hours, 5 into 30. You will get it as 150 degree. Okay? Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Ilsa, what is the next problem?
Next problem is, ma'am,
20.
measure the angle of the given figure. What is the sum of all?
Yes, very good. Measure all the angles of the given figure and what is the sum of all the angles. Okay? Can you measure it and tell me how much is the angle? Keep the protractor and you can measure it. Where you will keep the protractor? Down. Where is the vertex? You can measure and see each angle. Only one side you can take. One side. Okay, like this, once angle you can take it and measure and see. Afterwards, the same angle will be all. That figure is a pentagon. No need of measuring all the angles. You can take only one angle. If you are measuring finished, anyone can tell the answer. Isra, how much you got the answer?
Ma'am,
Not measured. Ashwin?
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
is that 10 degree? No,
90 degree,
is that
no.
10 degree?
Ma'am,
100 and?
Not 10.
Yes, very good. 108 degree. Okay, very good. 108 degree. Measurement of one angle is 108 degree. 8. 108 degree. How many angles are there totally? How many angles are there?
550.
5 angles are there. So what is the total measurement?
550.
Then you will
550.
get it as
540.
108 into
540.
500. Measure one angle.
540.
Yes, one angle is equal to 108 degree. Okay?
Ma'am,
Measurement of all angles is equal to 108 into 5. You will get it as 540 degree. Okay? Measurement of one angle is 108 degree. So that measurement of one angle is equal to 108 degree. Measurement of all the angles 108 into 5, you will get 540 degree. Okay, last one more question is there. With that we will finish it. That exercise. We can go to next, net of a solid. Tomorrow last one more problem is there. Can we do it now? Can we do it?
yes, ma'am.
So, measurement of one angle is how much? Measurement of one angle is how much? 108 degree. So, what is the measurement of 5 angles? 108 into 5, you will get it as 540 degree. 500.
40 degree.
That is the 21st
40
answer. Okay. 22nd question says that measure and write angles giving using protractor. Write the steps followed. You have to write the steps. You can measure and tell. 22nd question. 22nd. How much you will get? You can tell me.
36, 360, 360,
360. No.
360,
22nd question, last one.
360,
140.
140 will not come. 135. Who told that answer? Very good. 135 only will come. 140 is not there. It will come as how much?
35.
135 degree. You go after finishing this class, you can measure peacefully. What is the degree you will get?
135.
135 degree. Okay, excellent.
135.
135 degree.
Yes, ma'am. 135 degree.
That are the questions. Okay. So what are the steps you will write? What are the steps?
steps,
Place the protractor. Place the protractor.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes, you have to write it. 135 degree, 22nd question answer. Place the protractor. And measure the angles. Okay. Once again, I will send the answers. You can check it whether you made mistakes. 135 degree. Okay. So today I'm not going to start the next topic. Tomorrow we can start the next topic. We can revise once again
Only
from
this
the
much
beginning.
answer for this question, ma'am.
Which one?
Only this much answer for this question.
No.
22nd, 135 degree, and place the protractor and measure the angle. Still some more steps are there. I will write and send it to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now what are the things you learned in this topic? What are the things
We
you learned
learn
in this
how
topic?
to measure and how to know.
Yes. How will you
Know
define a
the
point?
numbers.
Line segment. How many endpoints are
And we learn.
Next one.
ma'am,
We learn types of
Yes.
angles.
Types
And
of
then we learn
angles.
about chalk.
Which are the, what are the types of angles? And how will you measure an angle?
Ma'am, we learned
What
the degree.
instrument?
Ma'am, I didn't write and finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 22,
Yes, we can
my
meet in the next
answer
class.
didn't write.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,